早晨。
Good morning, Joel. We're here in Old Taipa. What are we doing?
今日我哋踩單車 so we're gonna ride the bike today.
Wow.
Yes.
We're riding these?
係啊，呢啲啊。
Wow.
You ready?
I am ready. I'm excited. I hope I don't fall and die, but it's beautiful weather for a bike ride.
Are you ready to take these people on an adventure?
Let's do it.
Wow. 我哋行咗一轉係舊城市氹仔嗰度，我哋而家好攰，就想飲啲咖啡。
Yes. This coffee is also perfect for fighting the heat because it's ice dripped. So let's go. I'm sweating like crazy.
Let's go,氹仔。
氹仔! Ah! Hello. Can I get an ice drip?
飲咖啡。
Cheers.
Cheers.
Need some coffee and then let's go for our adventure.
Good boy.
Good boy. Oh, nice spot. Yeah. I love it. Woo! Galaxy! This is the old port of Coloane. We can see Coloane Village just over there. So we're gonna take in the view and then go check it out and maybe even try an egg tart.
Cheers！ 飲杯，
Good boy.
飲杯。你可以自己出嚟踩單車嚟到路環玩都幾好啊，係嘛？
Summer's coming up. You're looking for an adventure? Maybe try renting a bike in Macau. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next video.